Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits video, only way. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and line a baking sheet while you measure 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 3 4-cup cold butter. Cut butter into flour until pea-sized crumbs form, then stir in 3 4-cup milk until just combined. Pat dough to 1 inch thick, cut biscuits, and bake until golden and tender. Warm tone and clear steps help you succeed with biscuit dough. Start with cold butter and chilled liquids, then mix until coarse crumbs form. Add milk, then fold gently, avoiding overworking the dough. Pat or roll to 1 inch thickness, cut with a sharp cutter, and arrange biscuits close for taller sides or spaced for crisp edges. Brush tops with butter after baking for extra flavor and shine. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which fits your kitchen counter and keeps drinks cold during long baking sessions. It's easy to grab between oven checks and looks great on the counter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experimenting with flavors is fun and simple when making biscuits. Try adding 1 tsp sugar for a sweet option, or fold in 1 tablespoon fresh herbs or 1 cup shredded cheese for savory results. You can also stir in a pinch of cayenne for warmth or 1 tsp honey for subtle sweetness. Keep dough handling minimal and adjust baking by a few minutes for different add-ins to keep texture perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.